Hello everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. I hope everyone's enjoying their holidays and festive activities as we've almost reached the end of December. It's a busy time of the year for everybody, and it's been tricky finding time to paint. But I was able to this week, so I thought I'd share that with you. I'm going to be painting this strangely shaped plant. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but the colors reminded me of Christmas and the season's colors and themes. So I thought I would paint this and finally fill the sketchbook page. I start off with the stem. I used Payne's Gray to sketch out the stem with my 01 liner brush. This brush is nice and thin and gives you wispy lines, great for branches and grass. Then I'll go in with some red and green and let it kind of blend together naturally. After those are blended, I'm going to shape in these uniquely covered leaves of this uniquely shaped plant. I'm using a very vibrant red, light in value, to create my composition of the leaves, blending in some green and even a little bit of brown mixed in with the green. Of course, using the wet on wet technique and blending everything naturally. It's a little bit of a shorter process video this week, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the end result. This page has taken me a long time to finish. It's only taken maybe 2.5 days worth of my time to paint completely, but over the stretch of this whole month, as I've been pretty busy and distracted these days. I'm sure a lot of people can relate. This is a busy time of the year, but it's always good to find time to do the things you love. I find if I don't paint for a long period of time, I get a little sad, so I'll be sure to keep up on my painting and my watercolor journey. Hope everyone's enjoying their holidays and all their festive activities, and still making time to do the hobbies that we love or do the things that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all your comments. They make my day. They make me so happy. You can find me in the social media and the links in the descriptions below, as well as my print shop, where you can purchase some of the special skeleton prints mixed in with some nature. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Videos are every Friday, so I will see you guys next week with another video. Into the new year. It's almost been a year since I started this channel, so that's pretty exciting. Here's a little clip of my tiny little studio. Maybe I'll do a studio tour one day. Okay guys, good night. Bye bye.